Hey y'all, I am Diana. I am the soap maker here at Dried Up Scented Candles, and today we will be making our tea tree and activated charcoal soap. The ingredients inside this soap make it so beneficial to the skin. The ingredients are known to help prevent acne and breakouts due to the charcoal help drawing out bacteria and excess oil, and the tea tree helping to reduce inflammation. First thing is to mix our oils and lye water together. I am just blending it until it reaches a light to medium trace. Next, I'm going to separate the batches into two different buckets since there are two colors. The smaller section will be for the green and then the bigger section for the black. Okay, so next step is to add the teal to the smaller portion. This is to represent the tea tree, quote unquote, essentially in the soap. So it will be a small amount to swirl within the black. Okay, so I did not like that green, so I wanted to add more mica powder. I ended up adding too much. You do not need to add that much. I hope you all see the importance of measuring spoons. But anyway, I'm just going to add this green to make it more pigmented, and then we're moving on to the black. Okay, the next step is to add the activated charcoal into your soap. So the more charcoal you add, the darker the soap is, but it is not the same darkness as it is now. So it gets lighter as it sets. So I want you to be mindful when you are making it that the color you see is not necessarily the color that it will be. It will be like a lighter gray. Next step is to go in with our essential oil. So this is not a blend, it is straight tea tree oil. It made my house smell like tea tree for about 3 days. It is very strong when you first make it, just wanted you to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to both the black and the green. Getting my molds out, I got these from Amazon. I can definitely leave the link below for those who are interested. They're just the standard size loaf molds. So I'm just going in with a little bit of black, and then I'm putting the green in the center of the black and then topping it off with even more black. The goal is for you to not see the green, it to be like kind of a middle surprise. So I'm running the black through the green with my spatula. but I didn't want to mix it too much, so I'm literally just doing a zigzag down the bar. And so this is just the extras that I had left. I like to make a little bit extra for samples, so I'm just going to mix everything in the pot and then make like a little mini loaf on the side for a couple extras for just some little samples. This is the final results. I will come back in 16 to 18 hours to cut them. I want you all to see the color difference after it dries and goes through the gel phase. It is a completely different color. So I'm just pulling the mold away from the soap. And a trick to get it out a lot easier is to stick your finger underneath to give the mold air, and then the soap should just pop right out. I unmolded these a little early. I should have waited a couple more hours to let it set up a little bit more because it is soft, but it's okay, it will set up, it'll be fine. So I'm just going in with a vegetable peeler and I'm peeling off the edges of the soap to help me out later on when I'm cleaning up the bars. Alright, so now I am going in with my soap cutter and I'm just lining up the soap so that it can match the spacing on the bars, and I'm just going to cut it through. This soap cutter is definitely a lifesaver. I love it. It is the best investment I could have made so far. And yeah, here is the final product. It's a little green middle, you know, cute. And of course, each soap is going to be unique and different in its own way. No two soaps are going to look the same, so be mindful of that when purchasing off of the website. These tea tree soaps are available now on our website. Each batch looks a little bit different, but that is okay because each soap contains the same wonderful skin-loving ingredients. I will leave the link to the website below so that you can go check us out. We have a whole bunch of things that you will fall in love with. So yeah, this is just me cutting our second loaf of the tea tree soaps. A little bit of green seeped in on the sides, but it's okay. Alright, so that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do like these type of videos. Leave a comment below of your favorite type of soap so I know what kind of soaps you guys are into. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye!